My name is Kenny Thomas and I am 9 years old. I live in Carson, California. I'm in 4th grade. I like to play basketball and have my friends over. I don't play it in a league anymore, but when I did, I played point guard. What makes my family special is how we go out together and we just like to do a lot of things together. My parents are my heroes, but they always tell me that I'm their hero. When I was 8 years old, I got diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. I first learned I had cancer when I was losing weight and I was getting sick and having fevers. What I most disliked about my treatment is that I had to get poked and that I had to go there almost every day of the week, and that was a bummer. I did not get to go to school. I had a homeschool teacher come to my house. Now in my treatment, I'm in remission. I feel fine today. Basically back to normal, doing everything that I did before I had cancer. I think research is important because if we didn't have it, then we probably would not know what to do and how to cure the cancer. The number one thing I'd want to be is a doctor because you get to meet a lot of people on the way and you get to save people's lives sometimes and help kids just like me. I wanted to be the Hyundai Hope on Wheels ambassador because I could tell children my story of cancer. If I had a message to any other kid, it would be to never give up and to think positive. If I had one wish, it would to end pediatric cancer.